Oracle calls NetSuite the #1 cloud ERP system in the world, and that is measured by number of customers. There are 43,000 companies that run NetSuite globally. Compare that to JD Edwards. I think at the best of times, JD Edwards had about 7,000 customers globally, and there's some big advantages to having so many companies run the platform that you're on that I'll talk about. Those 43,000 customers really cross every industry, every size, every part of the globe. A lot of people have an impression of NetSuite only being for small businesses or for a certain type of business, but it really can power, everything from 10-person shops to multi-billion-dollar public companies run NetSuite successfully in all industries. Software industry, services, but manufacturing is a core industry, distribution is a core industry. We really see it kind of across the board. NetSuite has a very wide list of modules, very similar to JD Edwards. Obviously, it has, financials. It also goes probably a little bit deeper in financials in that it includes Oracle's planning and budgeting tool if you're doing advanced financial forecasting. It includes a revenue management module that helps you do things like revenue recognition, advanced billing, recurring billing. So maybe some deeper functionality as it relates to finance. NetSuite actually started as a finance solution. It was called NetLedger originally, so it's very broad there. On the customer side, it has a full CRM system that competes with Salesforce. Also includes marketing automation, which is a little surprising for an ERP system. Has a full configure price quote module. It has an e-commerce module, so you can build your web storefront with the e-commerce functionality in NetSuite. There's a point of sale. There are connectors to a lot of the big technologies, Salesforce, Shopify, WooCommerce. I think there are 7 or 8 different connectors that integrate those solutions out of the box. On the supply chain side, of course, it has inventory procurement. It has a full WMS system. It has full manufacturing functionality. A lot of people are surprised that NetSuite is so robust in manufacturing, but in some areas, it goes a little deeper than JD Edwards, and it fits well for discrete manufacturers. It's very robust. There's a full suite projects module that helps with project-based businesses, and it has a field service management module. So really deep in supply chain as well, and also has HR payroll. So a really wide list of functionality from NetSuite. Terillium is both a solution provider in NetSuite, and those are partners that also help sell the software. And we're also an alliance partner, which means that we partner with Oracle on the sale, and then we do the implementation. We're a combo partner. And then what's a little different than JD Edwards is the developer network within NetSuite. There are 600 partners that build applications inside of NetSuite. We call those suite apps. 700 apps from 600 partners. These are what you think of as third-party solutions, but they're built inside the NetSuite code base. You can go look at them all on suiteapp.com. And they fill any need that you have where you need extremely deep functionality, whether that's a tax solution or integrating your telephone system to NetSuite or transportation management solutions, document management solutions, pretty much any solution you can think of. You can search for it on suiteapp.com, and you're going to find a partner solution that's out there that's already integrated into NetSuite that you can buy and start using tomorrow. So that's really different than the JD Edwards community, where most every solution that you would use alongside JD Edwards would require a custom integration. In NetSuite, pretty much everything you could think of is already integrated. So we don't do a ton of integration to third-party applications because we just counsel people to choose one that's already integrated to NetSuite. So that makes a big difference. And that's really one of the benefits of picking the most widely used ERP system in the world. Everybody integrates to it. NetSuite, of course, has a a development platform as well. So you could do no code adds to NetSuite. You can add custom fields and records and forms, dashboards. You can integrate NetSuite to other applications if they're not already integrated through APIs. You, of course, can import CSVs. You can schedule imported CSVs. NetSuite comes with some of those pre-built connectors to things like Shopify or Salesforce. And then there's a complete custom development platform where we can program in NetSuite. NetSuite uses a Java-based language, so it's a little bit more widely known than the JD Edwards, event rule language. So I think that might give it a little bit of a leg up. One thing that's really interesting about NetSuite is that Oracle pushes 2 NetSuite upgrades per year. So all customers are on the same release. Everybody's on the most recent release, which is 2026.1, and then 2026.2 will come in the fall. So most of our customers don't notice when they get upgraded. They leave on Friday, they come back on Monday, and they're on the new version. It happens almost overnight, kind of like your iPhone gets upgraded. You may not even notice that that's happening, and you wake up in the morning and you've got new features that are there if you want to use them. Some of our customers who have complex custom integrations contract us to do an upgrade assessment, and that takes 10 hours. So they spend 10 hours of consulting time in their upgrade. We test every business process flow that they have and then advise them on the new features that might be applicable to them. And we've never spent more than 10 hours on that. So I think that's a huge difference than in the ecosystem of JD Edwards, where you're looking at significant consulting projects to upgrade to a major release. NetSuite is a software as a service, so it runs in an Oracle data center, and then you access your system over the internet. Obviously, Oracle has lots of data centers across the world. Oracle guarantees uptime in NetSuite of 99.7%, and you can go look at status.netsuite.com to see how that's going. It's at 99.9% over, I think it's 500 billion transactions so far this year in all the NetSuite data centers. Oracle also manages your security, and Oracle obviously has very robust capabilities when it comes to security, probably more than most of our typical customers' IT departments could offer, from physical security at the data center site to network security, database, application, and the end user controls that are built into NetSuite. It is an extremely secure application. Okay, finally here, obviously everyone talks about AI these days. NetSuite has built some significant AI capabilities over the course of the last year or so, and has functionality like looking for exceptions in your data and automatically alerting you to those. We talked a little bit about bill capture that has that exception management AI capability built into it. It has generative AI built into it where, for example, you might want to automate emails to your customers. The AI inside of NetSuite can generate the text inside of those emails. Probably the most significant thing that we've seen over the last year was a free feature that NetSuite added called AI Connect or AI Connector, where you can connect your AI instance, you can connect your NetSuite instance, to the AI model of your choice. So you could connect NetSuite to ChatGPT or to Claude, and then you could use Claude or ChatGPT to enter prompts to ask about your NetSuite data. How do my financials look? Who are my biggest customers? What did I sell last month that I didn't sell this month? Those types of questions, and get answers based on your NetSuite information. I think Stuart will show us an example of that when he demonstrates today. And it's pretty cool what you can do with that. Then finally here, NetSuite Next will be released later this year. This is a new look for NetSuite that includes things like Ask Oracle, which is an English-based search feature in NetSuite. Again, you could ask how is my income statement looking, and Ask Oracle will tell you. Agents built into the NetSuite application, narrative insights about your financials or your customers, transparency and trust, where NetSuite will tell you where its AI got its information from, and then a redesigned user interface to sort of take advantage of all of that AI capability. That's coming by the end of the year, and NetSuite is very proud of this release, and this will be a big benefit of everyone being on that same release and everyone getting this at the same time.